Which type of alcoholic drink is made from fermented grapes? C. Wine. What is the main ingredient in a mojito cocktail? B. Rum. Which alcoholic drink is often mixed with tonic water and served with a slice of lime? B. Gin and tonic. Which type of alcoholic drink is typically aged in oak barrels? C. Whiskey. Which cocktail is made from vodka, coffee liqueur, and cream? C. White Russian. Which type of alcoholic drink is known for its high alcohol content and typically made from fermented grains? C. Vodka. Which alcoholic drink is made from distilled agave plants? B. Tequila. Which cocktail is made from gin, vermouth, and garnished with an olive or a twist of lemon? B. Martini. Which type of alcoholic drink is often made from fermented sugarcane juice or molasses? B. Rum. Which cocktail is made from tequila, triple sec, and lime juice? A. Margarita.